All right, how's it going? James, OnlineCarShow.net. Got this week's Petrolbox videos. Can't wait to get this bad boy open. With that hesitation, let's go and get this video started. Alright, we got the November Petrolbox here. Been pumped about this. Can't wait to get this open. It's getting near that Christmas time, so might be a little Christmas goodies in here or whatnot. It's my 29th Petrolbox according to my wall here, so I've been a member of theirs for quite some time and have really enjoyed the contents and stuff you get in these mystery boxes. For those that aren't familiar, you can go out to mypetrolbox.com and get a full breakdown on what a Petrolbox is. I'm going to go ahead and next go to the unbox. Go ahead and make it just a short and sweet video. But before I do that, if y'all don't mind, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe below. That helps my videos to grow and also helps support my channel. And I can't say thank you enough. So let's go ahead and get on to the unboxing. Let's see what's inside the Petrolbox this month. Alright, well, got this month's Petrolbox. Can't wait to open this up. As y'all know, there's a contest attached to each one. If I open this up and there's a golden ticket inside, I get a free set of roadie farm wheels. So that's attached to each box. You open it up, there's a golden ticket, you're the lucky man. Or one. Let's open this up. Alright, another air freshener, I already see that. Here's our special thank you for your support from Petrolbox. It's got a list of the contents. Ooh, look here. Share your box this month and get a chance to win a Lego Fast and the Furious Charger. Use hashtag Petrolbox and make the most public. Winner announced 12/15. Very cool. And there's that contest. Find a golden ticket, you win a free set of wheels. It's got a nice little, table of contents. That way, if you want to go out to one of these vendors and get one of their products, you know where to go. First off, let's start here. New color for the air freshener that I've ever got. I've never got a brownish colored one. Let's see what else we've got. Ooh, interior detailing wipes, and I actually use these all the time. These things are, and this one's in matte. I think I have shiny over there. So these are really simple, if you're, especially in your daily driver, if you want to just wipe it off, get all the dust off, and leave a nice finish. Ooh, and it's got an odor eliminating refresher. Very cool. I might give these a test at the end of the video real quick, just to show you all how they work. What is this? 30-piece tire tactical toolbox kit. Tools that mean business. Used to repair puncture on tires, vehicles, ATVs, hand carts, wheelbarrows, and more. Includes plastic storage case. Very cool. And I actually keep this in the Corvette too. It's a plug kit for the tire. That way, if you catch a nail or something, and most of y'all know a lot of the cars nowadays don't contain a spare tire. You can plug it, and especially if you've got an electric air compressor, which I do, you can be a full service tire shop on the side of the road if you need to fix your tire and to get going. This one's real cool. It's got valve caps in there. It's got a valve stem tool. Of course, you've got a air pressure measure or air pressure gauge. The tool to clean the puncture, tool to set the rubber piece in there, and a tube of rubber cement. And it looks like it's even got a little patch kit in there if you can get the tire off, or for bicycles. So really cool. That is a definitely must needed tool. We'll come back to the subscriber of the month. Candy of the month. I got 2 Sour Patch Kids. Lucky. And my wife loves these, so I'll probably give these to her. Ooh, another pin with a race car livery. They've been doing this here lately. They've been sending out pins with race car liveries on them and little Petrolbox logo. Really cool. Definitely use that in the garage here. And let's see. And it matches the sticker of the month. And these stickers are from Snake Oil Elixir on Instagram. That's at Snake Oil Elixir. He makes these high quality stickers. They're you can see they don't have any glare, anything like that. Really nice stickers, and this pin matches the sticker on the car. Been putting these on the toolbox, so I'll put this one on there as well. Ooh, a Petrolbox pin. Really cool. So that way you can sport your Petrolbox logo anywhere. Put on your hat, your shirt, your jacket, wherever. Really cool. Add to my collection of Petrolbox swag. And we've got another S3 magazine. These are actually pretty good. It does look importish, of course, by the cover. But you know, here's a Mustang in here. It seems like it's, you know, focused around racing. Here's a lot of muscle cars. So it's not just imports. You got a good variety of cars in here. Yeah, here's an import Nissan, but it's got a good variety of cars. There's Jeeps. So it's been a really good, you know, entertaining read, and we'll definitely add that to the bathroom reader. And ooh, I already see something really cool. We'll do this last. Let's do the shirt. This already intriguing me. If I can get it open. Other side. Alright. Got a shirt. It says FFS on the front. Far From Stock t-shirt. Ooh, they gave us a Far From Stock shirt before that I wore for a long time. This one's cool. It's got kind of a, you know, Day of the Dead theme. It's a skull within a racing helmet. It says Far From Stock. Got a couple flowers on it. Love that. Definitely will wear that. Love the shirt. And it's got kind of a worn look, which I really like too. And then we've got the subscriber of the month, and it looks like a blue Subaru WRX STI. Nate Weeglib, I don't know how you pronounce that, but beautiful WRX there. Actually, my neighbor has this exact same car, same wheels, same color, everything. Literally lives like 5 houses down from me, so that's cool. Subscriber of the month there. Let's go through everything. We got the subscriber of the month. We've got the t-shirt. We've got the candy, the Sour Patch Kids. We've got the S3 magazine. We've got this, which definitely comes in handy. 30-piece tire tactical toolbox set. We've got the pin with race car livery, and we've got the snake oil elixir sticker for the toolbox to match it. We've got the Petrolbox pin, stick pin. And we've got a brown Petrolbox air freshener. Oh, last but not least, forgot this. The interior detailer for the car. We'll definitely use this with the odor eliminator. So, really good month from Petrolbox. They hit it again. I'll do a really quick product test of this. There isn't really much to test. It's just wiping it on. But I'll let y'all see the results. Y'all can see what the Maguires looks like. But really great month. If you're not subscribed to Petrolbox, I highly recommend you do so. Go out, check them out, mypetrolbox.com. All right, well, really good month for Petrolbox this month. I'm going to try to give you all a really quick product test. There isn't really much you can do with interior wipes. Most of the auto stores, I think Pep Boys, AutoZone, all carry them. So if you're interested in getting some of these, I don't recommend them for car shows and stuff like that, but maybe to quickly wipe down your daily drive or something like that. You don't have to pull out a towel, you know, a bottle of product, all this other stuff, and you just want to give it a quick wipe over and get the, you know, the hair off or dust or whatever. I think this stuff works. That's where its selling point is. But anyways, we'll go ahead and give it a wipe down, see how it works. All right, well, figured we'll use the Focus for the test, the product test in this video. We're going to be testing the Maguire's wipes. Make sure I get the right one. This is the non-matte finish, or the matte finish, excuse me, non-gloss, and it's got a odor eliminator refresher technology. Here's the stuff I usually use. It's same stuff, Maguire's, but this is the Supreme Shine, and this one has Scotch Guard Protector, bigger and thicker. So we'll go ahead and just compare the two since I got it on hand, and see how it does versus the Focus. As you can see, it's pretty dusty. Look at dog hairs, all kinds of stuff in here. So what I'll probably do is I'll do matte finish on this side, and we'll do the shiny on that side, and y'all compare the two, see which one you like. I am noticing something new here that was not on. Here's the old one I had before. I'll go ahead and see if I can get the, oh, it was there, sorry. I guess it's not on the Windex towels I use. They do have this little towel catch here, which I've never noticed before, so you can wrap the towel in there after you wipe. That's really cool. All right, well, here is the matte finish. This is the one that came with the Petrolbox. It's got the odor eliminator. Smells really fresh, almost kind of like Febreze. Febreze. I cannot say that word. Febreze or whatever. Real fresh smelling to it. So let's go ahead and wipe it down and see how it looks. Well, this is kind of the issue I've always had with it. Look at that. See how it just does not want to apply? It just kind of floats on top of it. I don't know if that's just the interior protectors I have on here or what that does that, but it's one thing that's always annoyed me with these towels is whatever's on them doesn't want to stick because whatever reason. But boy, that is nasty. We'll go ahead and put the mat all over here in the center, right? We got something leather we can test on. I'll use the shiny on this. This is the mat. This would probably be the one I would use actually better than the shine because, like I said, this isn't a car show car, so I'm not really concerned with it shining. I just want it clean. Grease off the steering wheel, and that'll really help your steering wheel last longer because that grease is what slowly from your hands and the oils and dirts and stuff that are on your hands is what wears them down so quick. So if you can keep them clean, they'll actually last a couple years longer for you. All right, I think that about does it. And these should be safe on any painted surface you've got, you know, buttons or whatever on the car. It should be safe. Some of your interior cleaners, though, you do want to be careful with that. Maybe find something you can test on before. But this stuff will be safe on the any kind of painted buttons you have in the car. All right, well, I'm not going to give you all full just detail here, but I think that gets us in the ballpark of knowing if it works or not. All right, so there's the matte finish. It's still drying. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the shiny on the other side, just so we got something to compare to. Big difference. You can see already the shiny's already shinier than the matte finish, just on application. Look at that. And it seems to be sticking better. I don't know if it's just me or not, or what. All right, well, like I said, I'm not gonna give it a full detail. I just wanted to show y'all a comparison. So here's the shiny. It's still drying, just applied. Here is the matte. As you can see, it's already dried on a lot. It does give it a really clean finish, but matte like it says. I actually kind of like the finish of this one better for the daily. This would be more of a car show shine, I guess, but like I said, these aren't really built for car shows. If you really want that car show, you know, shine, you should go through and use some interior cleaner, then go through and use some interior shine, do it the right way in a multi-step process. But for a daily driver, or maybe you don't want to spend all that time, you know, detailing the car, the hot rod or whatever, maybe this is the angle you go. This definitely saves some time, that's for sure. And tools. You don't have to have, you know, 3 bottles of stuff. You've just got your cloth and you're done. So really good. It cleaned up the steering wheel really nice. Still got some wear up there, but I think that's just where the leather's just worn out, being a daily. But it is definitely a difference in the two. The shiny, you can see it almost kind of has a greasy feel to it. Not as bad as some products, but it still has a little bit of greasy feel. The matte will leave you with a real nice clean finish when you're done. So for a daily, this would be the option I went. Really good stuff. Can't complain on it. I've used this stuff for years. It's just, you know, accessibility or making it easy on you or whatnot. It's just, this is the way to go. If you want something quick and fast, get it done. As you can see, that stuff works decent. You know, it gets the dust off the car, leaves you a nice finish on it. It might have some protection value to the interior. I'm not sure on that. But anyways, thank y'all so much for watching my videos. Looking forward to next month's Petrolbox and whatever product test it will have inside. Hopefully it'll be a little bit something we can get a little more in depth on. But thank y'all again for watching, and I hope everybody has a great week. Thank you.